guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video here at MT Paradise. So today I'm actually at Detail Garage Round Rock. I've got another Rides and Coffee event going on, and already there's some pretty epic cars. But if you guys are in the Austin area, definitely check out Detail Garage Round Rock. There's Rides and Coffee, things like the last Saturday of every month, so definitely keep an eye out for those. Check out their Instagram and Facebook pages. You can click on the events tab on Facebook, and it shows you all the upcoming events. There's a bunch of other events coming up in the near future, so definitely go check those out as well. But already there's a ton of awesome cars, especially a silver 4GT. So let's go check that out first. So I'm not really a huge truck person, but there's this beautiful Chevy pickup truck here that just looks amazing. Like, you can tell it's definitely old school, but looks kind of brand new from the factory, if not better than what it would have actually looked like. But yeah, this thing is a 3100 Chevrolet. I don't really know much about it, but here it is. Man, when it comes to older Japanese cars, there's actually a really good variety today. I mean, we have that RX-7, Joe's Honda S2000, got a couple of 300Zs, R32 GTR. Like, this is actually a really good turnout of older Japanese cars, and it's awesome seeing them come out. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out some more. Alright guys, so in my last video I talked about doing something with my Volkswagen Jetta, which is nothing crazy special about it. It's just like a regular S model. Honestly, I don't really know. But I will be doing a wrap on it. And something I was looking at was, I have a bunch of scrap vinyl and I could probably do something like a camo wrap on it, kind of like an Arctic camo. But let me show you this one and kind of show you similar to what I'm looking at doing. This is still just an idea. There's like a bunch of different things I'm thinking about doing. Maybe doing like 4 different colors on the wrap, where his has 3 colors, including the base car color. So I'm still keeping my mind open to what I want to do with it. The car is silver. As you can see, it parked right there. Nothing crazy or special about it. But in the near future, we'll be doing something pretty epic. And I do have some surprises to come for it. Alright guys, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap up the video right there, but if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Let me know what car was your favorite. For me, personally, it was that Ford GT, but a lot of you guys might like the Huracan, maybe even the Aston Martin, but definitely let me know down in the comments below. But also don't forget, if you're in the Austin area, come check out Detail Garage Round Rock. All your auto detailing needs and amazing quality products. But like I said, if you guys like this video, hit the like button down below. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can keep coming back to seeing all these crazy awesome videos and also a bunch of other different content as well. But as always guys, thank you for watching.